that 3 weeks. We have also obtained court order to dispose of the bodies. We have already disposed 33 bodies, and there are 2 remaining. And in case of any eventuality, while this work is in the process, we are going to have an agreement with the Meru County government, so that at least for the period of the contract, ile mwili ambayo is originated from our hospital here, not body from outside. That's why we also want to emphasize kwa community wetu, to the police and everybody concerned, the hospital for this period will not accept body from outside.
On behalf of the board and the management of the hospital, mimi nasema tunatoa shukrani kwa hii mortuary kuwa modernized. Na nataka kusema ya kuwa county government imechukua hatua ambaye hii mortuary kwa muda mrefu sasa ilikuwa inahitajika ipatiwe yani facelift, na leo imekuwa reality.
This mortuary of ours is going to be everything is going to be completely new. The old machines are going to be removed and completely replaced with the new ones.
We want to endeavor and commit to our standards as Achelis that we will deliver a state-of-the-art facility to Isiolo County.
We are expecting on the 7th week, that is from now, we will get the machines delivered here at our facility, so that we do the installation on the 8 weeks.
Na wataalamu wa maundu maria maturigici